Hi dear friends, welcome to the English class. And in this class of video today, we are going to talk about another important tense in the past tense, that is past continuous tense. In the previous class, we have already discussed that the simple past tense and how a simple past tense is written. In what ways the simple past tense is written? So a simple past tense is written in three ways: to completed actions, second one is imaginary conditional clause, and the last one is to indicate past habitual actions. Now in this class of video today, we are going to discuss another important topic, another important tense in a past tense is past continuous tense. Past continuous tense, and it can also be called as past progressive tense. You can say it as a past progressive tense. And dear students, it is as same as past present continuous tense. So here the structure of the present continuous tense is subject plus be form plus be1 plus ing form plus object. So the structure of the past continuous tense is also as same as present continuous tense. It is also subject plus be form plus be1 plus ing form plus object. Let me write the structure. Here see, subject plus be form plus, here be form plus v1 plus, you can also call it as a v4, so plus object, subject plus be form plus v1 plus ing form plus object. Here the be forms are was and were, whereas in present continuous tense, in present progressive tense we use be forms, so am, is, are. Am is the right be form for I, is the right be form for all singular subjects, whereas are is the right be form for all plural subjects. Now in the same way, was is a right be form for all singulars along with I in the past tense, whereas were is a correct be form for all plural subjects. Okay, now so let me write. Actually past continuous tense is used to identify, it is used to identify an action which is started in the past tense and also continued in one point of time in a past tense. That means an action is started in the past tense and that action is continued. The action continues in the past tense, that is nothing but past continuous tense. And dear students, here you need to understand one thing, that whenever you come across ing form, whenever you come across ing form, that means whenever you find a sentence having ing form, you can confirm it as a continuous tense. So first it is a continuous tense, later it is a present continuous tense or past continuous tense or future continuous tense based on the be forms. If the present be forms are there, am, is, are, there you can confirm it as present continuous tense. If past be forms are there, was and were, there you can confirm it as a future continuous tense. If shall or will, or if the models are there, you can confirm it as a future continuous tense. First you need to identify ing form. When there is an ing form in given statement, in given sentence, the tense is a continuous tense first. It is first continuous tense. Okay, now let me write you some examples of past continuous tense. So I take all the pronouns. What is the first pronoun? I, and second pronoun we, third one is you, and fourth one is she, he, it, and finally last pronoun is they. We already know that first persons, I, we are the first persons, you is always the second person, she, he, it are third person singulars, whereas they is a third person plural. So let me write you one example for past continuous tense. I was making kites. So this is here, see, subject plus be form plus v1 plus ing form plus object. So that is the structure of the past continuous tense. Coming to the as we is a plural pronoun, so that therefore we should use were. So here we were participating in the competition or in the game. You can write it as a we were participating in the game. So this is the past continuous tense. And now see, you were preparing for exams. So this is also a past continuous tense using the pronoun you. And here see, when it comes to the actually she, he and it, these are the third person singular. In the past tense you should use verb for all these three pronouns along with I also. So that here see, she was working hard. So that is the past continuous tense. And he was watching the movie. He was watching the movie, and it was raining yesterday. It was raining yesterday. It was raining yesterday. And the last example is, they were fighting each other. They were fighting each other. Right? So these are the examples of the past continuous tense using all the pronouns. But here in the pronoun she, he, it, you can write a name of any person, or a name of a person, or a name of the thing, or a name of the building, or a name of anything can be written in the place of she, he, it. You can also write it. Okay, now so this is how a past continuous tense is written. So the structure of the past continuous tense is subject plus be form plus be1 plus ing form plus object. And another important thing is that the be forms in the past tense are only was, were. So be forms are 5 in number: am, is, are, was, were. But am, is, are belongs to present be forms, and was, were belongs to past tense. So that here, as we are talking about past tense, there you should take past be forms was, were based on the subject. If the subject is singular along with I in the past tense, it is better you take be form was. Whereas if the subject is plural in the past tense along with all the pronouns except I, she, he, you can write past be form were. Okay, now let us write both simple past tense and also past continuous tense in a same sentence, right? Now let us see the combination of both simple past tense and past continuous tense. Actually, two are the past actions. One action is completed in the past, another action is continuing in the past. Now, so let me prepare you some examples for both simple past tense and also past continuous tense using some conjunctions like while and when. So you know, while is duration of time, whereas when is point of time. So we use when to indicate a certain point of time. In while is used to indicate a duration of time. For example, when I entered the room, when I entered the room, the teacher was teaching. The teacher was teaching the class. The teacher was teaching the class, right? And another example is, this is the first example, and let me write you another example. They were fighting when they were together. See here, see this is they were fighting, it is a past continuous tense, and their subject and verb be2 together object. So they were, this is in simple past tense and this one is past continuous tense. When you take first example, I wrote simple past tense in the first place, that is I entered the room is simple past tense, whereas the teacher was teaching the class. The teacher was teaching the class is past continuous tense. Another example is that the phone rang while I was having the dinner. See, the phone rang while I was having the dinner. Here, see, the phone rang. This is simple past tense. Whereas I was having the dinner is past continuous tense. So these are the two past actions. But one action is indicates completed action in the past, and another one is continuing action in the past. So here completed action and continuing action in the past. These two are past actions. Let me write another one. My parents were walking. When it rained. My parents were working when it rained. So this is here my parents were working. This is a past continuous tense, whereas when it rained is a simple past tense. So this is how both simple past tense and also past continuous tense can be written together. So using some conjunctions like while and when. So here whenever I write while, it indicates a duration of time. See here when I entered, that is a completed action. When indicate completed action, whereas in other sentence I wrote while. See, while after we find continuous tense. If it is a when completed action, if it is a while continuing action. Okay, now so this is how both simple past tense and past continuous tense can be written together. Okay, I hope you understand my class. If you understand my class, if you like this video, please subscribe our channel RK Media. And another important thing is altogether 6 tenses so far completed from the topic tenses. Simple present tense is over. All 4 present tense were covered so far. Now today we discussed here simple past and past continuous tense together written. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you all of you.